Mwancho muligiriri karibu nande senseme iga ya kabere yo murubali isiko ya bisiri tukulia lero muna twate korra senseme ntangani nigo tole amo na omo jumbe omukoro bwe bunge ya South Mugrango uyu ndo berega kuligie kirokyo basenata se county ya Kisii nilitangani kigima ine bago gotabinga nere umurai we kiama ya PDP gose kiama kimagite muna obokano umosike James Omingo Magara ditangana ndainga nigatigo James yake ona Omingo Magara ria ya Afrika rioka na konya nigo twanyare kwa tuko kwandira igoro ya sabali ya siasa una konya achagire na twekire se achagire kwa gose asoire ase ekiama gosa arosiri gosa bwatira ningwe sokoro sikiama ya ODM esabonto kanda kuligeria igoro mugano ime ya isiko ya bisi batugandire sobwamo Mheshimiwa Magara watabanga waikire 2005 na lie kiama ya ODM ya kuiboru na ande no oro ya mabo bali bako bekemikakati yokorasi kiama giga lakini bado no bisate kia ensem sabali yenga kia linga wana yokorasi kiama ya ODM
akero nanyoro bokongu bwa goituna ba mitu na Joseph ware ko ngo Misiri my big brothers bakata go sunyuta sana bandu shira ini ese nyumonga ya chayo yetu achanire mono nkangana we kandi exit close in 2003 iliaka tuachaka ngaliyo bongaini ngaliyo mosike ya moswaku to yanga gasingu sana kwa just game katanga ba wonseli gando PDP ngabeke bongaini amoswaka approve game PDP ngabeke mosike nyarange na chairman kandi the as for people. Kera I didn't know. Na rojenga dari nchera ngoma mbaza kwa morembe kwenye banyangire and they were too overwhelming. So kana ika wujo moyo busu ne kagusa ko grow ye for the referendum. Ngoso edimwe referendum mali
orange banana.
Tukamnyoka sana ikageria. Ngaronga no na renga no.
No yebono ya jitu ya bwate litunda
ikero yeka maria amande valenga se banana to the or litunda ekavua whatever don't change this forum into a party ekapabo iko una yaba pronounce dio muna nimbwate PDP lakini ngaranga tinge mwana utako kwa tigara resema bona jo sokoro kigeza kwa tukulimo tukagasana Pono mbege the PDP back bana katokoro so ODM mweta ba usi frankly ntuana kujamana bagare na they was traditional wasa mambo alengaro na machaya bako moko mitanda tinga tako tikaya anga kibondo wachiko kana kuchia ntuana kusanga mwa katika temege ndege mwantu wekire sanga kia kisasa muzemna ngora kwa so ujime kinga yabinde byakore yabe ngakiaje ko bije gomanyanga gongoso uji malia nganyora nga ODM ya to the acceptance ngatinga kwende PDP back bana. That's how Richard came with PDP kana bia to mera moino nonya gora kongo ndanga taidi na ngira tanga tabo tibi ma briefcase parties give briefcase ya mokonya da ka ale bunga ya roma eta adoro kana ngese nyonga ya musani na mbona ongora mbroke sese nyonga musani one ndanga ya ngente kana yo uchaya ira nanga na kia kurete moina ana bono mbona kire nga achajira ne ma tongore te ngente kana kia ngente so
ngone rengo mujumu botanga ya PDP
so ekero banya banchire kia ma ODM pono ngoranga tia gabera lakini uzingia konyete ngarwe through passing aki kanda ODM moina yangu moina aria era gacha ne kia makiria so ikarabagi ajirana ingatoko kana be front runner man abantu bandi bakubodunga bali kwegena ngani yara go wetu merinde
audi ni se for the people
ya so gresiko moina mwaka ya buje no hali doji tade machi sare ngari so ndanga my colleagues in parliament ndanga mose yende kemono kero kindo zinga kwa sirire kia au makiona pingo mwaka ni muzikete ni amto yasnya kwa sikede kwa swama ade nje ngweli ngelinde wale bukungo tebe na ki tiako bavuguvugu you are either cold or hot mwana kabia asnya diganga na moina nende bakantenga bono I want to go rama bena kabata neema ya bwana iko I went by faith so and for sure that time I was another dog and Mzee was a big name in this.
Nero ngo determine kusiga siasa mo.
So luckily ngase kama udira njai my dream yani yanenga kandi zero isiko grow 1 point up.
Igombo
That's supposed to.
Yeah.
Iko na amuru narushi 1 point plus up and valia. So ikaenda kanaiga although atananta sengazi by that case ODM kanyachukura more than 65% in Kisi etana cover since independence. Later on, no matter what happened was bagatamuna bakolete so swaime ibrukanayaba bakarosia tukarosia coalition government unaona jangoro ranga machana na sebusi you know na kolile na egudo kalabirija ngao umaita ngarema na number 7 ase akia Pentagon akero the Pentagon saba na number 7 no arrange 1 2 3 4 and number chipaka between 1 and 10 ijukiro reserved nan muntako number and in Tago decide bonongi and ODM number 7 inko very reserved for me ko ikali mo ambi baka ngola ro Congo and bora baka bete yarenge coalition government dada kayo 50% na kibaga tena 50% ngama kayo half of the 50 so igona anenge quarter minister
okay 25%
bono quarter minister on was gonna go to the 50 minister 50% minister but then kama iko ngasabu na seminar for trade lakini senga nje bidina biria ekipatition kabeko that time mna ekipatition area I got about 10,000 votes. My number 2 petition Manson had about 5,300 ingatabanga kijukura rairete bara kumbe ganebe kengoli bakabara actually nganyora more than what I got musinga katanga chukura juma they were commerce and they were not credible for agenda by election. Why boss? In actually 11,000 was the same as 4,800 according to mathematics Musinga, and that's why I think judiciary na that have okamaramboro bonene baka kore biasara bikong bono team ya nega chanyari baga most of the 4 people fraternity all went home baka yari baga mos baka mbaraga
bangi ga
baga ke nanda mabato bokubosie bantu baguru bakalanji mijiba bato ngano jada na karibu bana basoke to gaita yo
by election
ya 2010 umanisi nakabu mjumbe obugirango since that time I'm out here and I'm extremely happy man because God has been gracious to me.
Wano korwa bu 2010 to chiti kutwara kangana ndio ko mjumbe
I thought like the Burundi Gara Soga 2013 Karanga Gamonde Ngendege Tanga the county. And the Bono Nata getting a new bed and I go to your bed and a house. Again, of course, the wars are going to by election. Remember, sorry, before I finish, during my by election now, ODM also, now I had several wars to fight. For the people of fraternity have regrouped against me, and they had to revenge. In Kisi, they were saying this boy is growing too fast, too soon, he must be contained. I said, thank God, I grew too fast and I made an impression when it lasted. I thank God. But the old folks, the senior politician in Kisi, thought I was growing too fast. They had also to work against me in terms of mantle of courage. That time it was sorry Naruto. I mean, and he was a minister for agriculture and the assistant minister, and we used to work a lot of good things together. Not going to be my scandal. Injira makonga denga muruja. There more president as a president. I was a boy, but I was no. Injira to Mumuno Grama, we gave it to Mango Musbare, Kamakonya P. Karana Moga said the mono. On your most essential motion. Eh, Kabisa. You do much. Kamakonya. So I right another bono. You see, there's a clan war, there is a Kis region supremacy war, there is a party war. But nationally, Nanengo DM. They don't trust me too well because I was about a member. And I think as a Moguaria, I can have a petition I get successful. ODM did not want to give me a ticket. actually ya Makwere ya Gachalaita pakatanga in Matuga we have a candidate Manyoa na ndege ya Kitelaita inche na tanga ndugu ngane bale petition nganyete ngantura nyoro mu candidate and I'm national treasurer ngabatenga batinga keep it
akimoko liye kande nandi koromo gachi executive
keep it now you see na konya na konya rudo liya ta tagete iga tagete tutu asink
ne nyota ya rudo narango kina yarange shinga kieje
kuna ngukina renge bona ndagara na munjira makonya yakina bona matonye bire lakini abasi asabere so iyo cheki Jones P I said was number 2 alright ODM now I was fighting ODM na nyacha nyumba nyacha kambwa utura mansion lakini ODM bado katika number 3 I actually felt nice so 2013 ngatabatinga na constituency tikanga the upper thing ngaswa ngatakobori obo senator indeed see, and I must thank them on camera that they have trusted me all this time pakarero because I got 111,000 votes
2013
PDP alone 2017 na PDP inganyara 124 10% increase
gradual increase
bono obuhanchini bosani obuno utokora nsabona 2017 ngakora ki sama soltanga inye bato ndango mingo takomnyoka yebuyeka takomnyoka yebuyeka bono liye team omaite ngatika bonyakira kwa PDP ngamnyoka ngati angonyo musikiruto ngatenga ngatiruto William Mr President sir deputy bili ngumaro kabira utale kwacha ndika makalima to sio kelema to kolega asimne coalition akakana umaite let's do and I trusted him ngatika mosenga so aime wanaso amalia bono ngonyo yanga naende ikabwata bamraba simas mafia tu paka jigende paka bono jibwata maskati yobona namuno naende utoko banga babangura ngubuli ngaende I like order myself boss iga bitombi right naende nyango chikulia kirwe kikira watu kanyama tambile pi bakata ndi ubo sene bugavana I even crafted a team because Ogamba was my deputy this Kengo Nyambane was my senator. I was looking for women rep to complete the deal but I don't know what machagu chire ganda chinchi get otaga I get abunto go itumuri krasnya ngata mo tiganti
yangira na mwana
tiganti ketindige ngozi ko tabate indige bango tenga chura nando you are running away from not being a lone ranger you must form a team haba nonga kama se Jubilee asobura ko nagi gona tigire game vacant bada waterere as a leader but he was so important he couldn't fly he didn't even register as a member that's why PDP performed very badly last elections before elections they had that over the GMC about 15 and it was about being advised convenient again the team was also I don't stress within towards the tail end in fact I had wanted to quit that no show and I did quite a number of people were saying it doesn't matter where you are, we need your leadership here. Jubilee, it didn't work. I'm sorry Obura didn't take off because of Simba's onslaught. You are the deputy governor to Chake South, the deputy governor of Obura, you're in the treasury. Baka was also not a politician. The lady was also a new horn. Obura, who was supposed to be team leader, was caged forever. I actually ran even a more singular race than that I did in 2017. Surprise, surprise.
On paper you were a team, but
zero. Surprise, surprise. The best vote ever. I got 135,000 votes, and for you, I won. This is not a joke, but I suffered local political wars. There were two NMCs in Kisii, and without missing words, fact, they were eyeing Raila's, attention. If he becomes president, who becomes minister? One was serving in government, one was a former governor. So the one who was serving government had more muscle and money. Boss, terrorized us the last
nande mugasusuru muna ire
bon muna ngori kibo na ko ne bonchari meremo ngasuru hata nane myo makoko aye myo gosunyu tubukira ginya sango ngende moyo.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate etime tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbego babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na Green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwe kasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo busongo iyo